Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin right away by updating and logging in. Put on the Quest 3, open the Oculus app, and sign into the same Microsoft account you use for Game Pass Ultimate. Once done, move your headset near the router or use a Wi-Fi 5 GHz band. Low latency matters. Make sure background downloads and other streaming devices are paused. You're now ready to enable the links that let Quest 3 access Xbox Cloud Gaming in the next step. Next, you connect the Quest to the cloud service itself. You can use Edge and headset to go directly to Xbox. Com/play. Sign in if prompted. If you prefer PC-based routing, enable AirLink or run virtual desktop and connect to your gaming PC with Xbox app streaming enabled. Pair an Xbox wireless or supported Bluetooth controller in the Quest settings, test inputs in the browser or app. Once paired and signed in, launch a cloud game to confirm video and controller data flow. Finally, launch a game and optimize performance. You'll tweak streaming quality, lower bitrate if you see stutter, or raise it when visuals are fine. Make sure your Quest stays within line of sight to the router. A wired backhaul to the router helps most. If sessions drop, restart the headset, repair the controller, and check Microsoft account sign-in. One key troubleshooting tip: if input lag persists, switch from Bluetooth to an Xbox wireless adapter, or use virtual desktop with a wired PC for the best response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.